Let me show you how to make buttermilk waffles. Okay guys, today I'm not going to work today. I'm staying home. My son is sick, so I need to be here with him, but I am hungry. So I'm gonna make some buttermilk waffles and I'm gonna show you guys how to make it with me. First, you need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, don't judge me, but I need 3 tablespoons of sugar, but I just gave my daughter all my sugar. So I only have brown sugar. We're gonna use brown sugar. We just gonna see how it goes. It should be fine. Okay, you're gonna use 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Pinch of salt. I think that's a pinch. In a separate bowl, I'm gonna mix all my wet ingredients. We're gonna do 1 3/4 cup of buttermilk. You're gonna need 2 eggs, 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract, half a cup of unsalted butter melted. That's 1 stick. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my waffle iron on so it can get hot while I mix the ingredients together. I'm gonna pour in my melted butter into my wet mixture. I don't know why, I haven't even stirred anything yet, and this just smells so good. Okay, I mixed my wet ingredient. I'm gonna mix my dry. Now I'm gonna make like a hole in the middle, like kind of scoop everything out to the side so it can be deep in the middle. And then I'm gonna pour the wet ingredient in and start mixing. When you're mixing, you wanna make sure you get all the way to the bottom. It should be a tad bit lumpy. See that? See that? My waffle iron is saying it's ready. Let's put it in. Also, I'm not gonna spray my pan, my waffle iron, because I've learned through multiple waffle makers that when I spray it, they just get worse and worse. So I'm not spraying it. I think I poured too much. Okay, I don't normally do that, but if you have an issue where you pour too much, take some out and smooth it around. And we're gonna flip it. So the light came on, but I still like to wait a little bit before I take it out because I like mine to be golden brown. Okay, let's see if it's done. Boom. And here's how you get it to be like the golden brown color. And it'll have like a little bit of crisp so that when you put your butter and syrup on there, it won't get soggy. Got my forks. I'm ready to taste it. Only thing I'm gonna say is I do want it sweeter, but actually it's really, really good. It's actually sweet. And then I wish I would have put cinnamon. I normally put cinnamon in mine, but this is really good. I like a lot of syrup. Y'all go make this.